Wilco RK116 is the number 20 Adfield Corporation from to St. Joseph from to Massaw. 16 tons. Well, from there is the well. Good time. Well, you have there. Too many. Okay, is the 60 tons. Is the year 1996 August. Roof thinner crane truck from Adfield Corporation. Is the crane truck. Right, a problem. Good time there is the roof thinner crane. I from there is the good time. Is the yellow Kubelco. Good time there is the RK116. Is the good time there is the yellow. Right from there is the from to Massaw. Right from there is the crane truck Adfield Corporation. RK116. Crane tons. Right from there is the no choice. Right of Bravo. Is the yellow tons. Good time there is the crane truck. Right of Bravo. Good time there is the right of Bravo. Is the good time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go.